Greetings, fellow traders. Bubba here. It's time for the lunchtime market update for Tuesday, February the 16th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we are in the market here today. So SPX, again, we're down about 4 points right here, but still green here on the monthly chart, weekly chart. Again, we're kind of in this choppy zone right here. One of the things I compared 2 weeks ago to is this candle right here. Very strong candle, took out a nasty candle, right? And then we just kind of chopped around, kind of ground our way up. This kind of feels like where we're at right now. Of course, last night, if you check out the video at the end of this video, we kind of start to compare the price action that we're seeing here to the price action that we saw before the Corona crash. So kind of keep an eye on that here too. Very similar action, right? So we got these two green candles right here, two green, right? Then red candle, then boom, right? So we'll see how it goes right here. Now the difference here is that we were overbought on the RSI, right? We had some bearish diversions, and right now we're not even close to overbought yet. So let's go to the daily chart again. We could still see a pullback right here. I'm kind of leaning forward, leaning on this argument right here. Is just looking for a wave to pullback. Like I said, probably a lot of folks are thinking that, hey, we're going to get another crash, but there's nothing really warranting that right now. I mean, so. Things are just hanging in there. Stimulus is hanging in there. Vaccines are getting out, all that stuff. So unless there's like some new news, right? So I mean, this might be the end of wave one up, right? So we're going to continue to look at it and see if we start a wave two pullback. Again, a pullback here to the 618 would not quite fill the gap right here, but if it got into the golden zone, right, it would fill the gap, and that would actually, if it was fast, which the last one was, could bounce off the cloud right here. We could start to work our way up here for a larger wave five move up. So we're definitely going to be keeping an eye on that here going over this week and see how it goes right there. So far, low volume here on the SPY. Let's take a look at the SP futures again. Also gave us some good moves off of our levels here. Starting to get some action pre-market, right? So one of the things that we looked at here pre-market was the potential for a symmetrical move down, right? Because we lost the geometric line, the overnight and the Friday's upward trend line from all the wild action from the holiday, right? So then we were looking at a symmetrical move down. We got that here this morning, but we couldn't really bounce off of it, and we are still continuing to see some movement. So we may actually come and test Friday's highs as well as the scene of the breakout right here. So we'll see how it goes here today. We're just kind of grinding our way down right now. This does look like a potential move. This could be a zigzag, right? Or it could be a 3-3-5, right? Because you can kind of count like a 1, A, B, C, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish type move down right here. So again, we're getting really close to the gap fill right here. So definitely something to keep an eye on right here going into the rest of the afternoon. Okay, wow, I just had to take a look at it right there. So the gap is filled here from Friday already. So let's see if this level holds as a potential support right here. I was looking for some setups, but not really too much. There was a couple setups earlier, but not too much here exciting. Let's see if they go for the dip buy on this one. MES, again, same thing. Let's just kind of keep an eye on these levels and see how we go here into the end of the day. Obviously, we're working on what appears to be a fresh downtrend down, at least on the intraday time frame. So let's see how that goes. Let's take a look at the Qs here. Again, Qs, just basically hanging on here, right? So, again, a big push down right here. I put this in the bubble report this morning. Potential bull flag. We never broke out of it. I said, watch this geometric line. Look at that. We're right here by it. If we break down below here, watch out below. It could get a little bit nasty there. So, again, market pulling back here, possibly to the scene of the breakout from the other day. Let's take a look at the IWM. Again, IWM, nasty, guys. Wow, bull flag did not trigger here this morning, and a big pullback in the IWM here this morning. The big thing, really, that we need to kind of keep an eye on here is the XLF. Strangely, this thing is holding up here today, and it's actually still looking bullish. So it's starting to pull back a little bit right here. So definitely keep an eye on this going into today. See what it holds. We start to push back in. We get into the 15-orb range. Okay, that could support some more downside movement in the market. All right, let's take a look at Apple. Apple's been on our short radar all day today, guys. Just some nice down moves right here intraday. I mean, just getting to a couple of our key levels. We have a channel right here. We got a macro geometric line below. Again, this was the candle right here. I pointed this out in the Discord here today for the group. Increased volume below the 15-orb low, and then a nice breakdown off of that for nice continued action to the downside. So very nice stuff there on Apple. And a couple other names, too, that we pointed out as well. Again, Tesla. So Tesla, again, been one of the most relatively weak names here today. Continuing to work its way down as well. Again, very similar to Apple, increased volume below the 15-orb low for a nice move down there on Tesla. Also, AMD has showed some general weakness here today. Again, it was on my bullish radar going into today, but again, it's all about the price action. Is it confirm or not? Right, so it's already pulled back down here to the geometric level on the daily chart, so let's see how it holds right there. But again, basically a bear flag breakdown right here. Increased volume below the 15-orb low for a nice down move here on AMD. So good stuff there. The other one I want to point it out too is members pointed out gold today, but silver also really got a nice little bounce right here. Nice increased volume volume here to a momentum move through the 15 orb high to get back into the channel before reversing back down. So that did give a dip buy opportunity today, and so some good stuff there. All right, so we've got a couple chart requests out there. Thanks, guys, for sending those in. I really appreciate it. So let's take a look. We've got Sundial. So let's take a look at this one right here. So again, inside day right now, still holding the 80 MA. Let's see how that goes going into the rest of the day. But again, it's kind of struggling off of that big down move from the other day. DMTK, again, looking at dark cloud cover right now, so a little bit of caution off of that one. Futu, good follow through, right? So nice bounce off the 80 MA on that one. Now let's see if we can get back above today's highs and hold there. Will be very important for that one. Let's take a look at Tiger. Tiger with a good move right here. Yeah, nice follow through from the 80 MA pullback on that one. SI, good push here today, but nasty upper shadow. A little bit of caution off of that one here. Spot, great follow through here this morning and then leaving an upper shadow right here today. But a nice momentum move from yesterday's mini breakout candle right here out of the geometric line. So nice stuff there. Good follow through on Spot into today. Again, not an easy name to trade, but if you held it overnight, good job there. Bit of an inside day up on pins here today. Again, a lot of the social media names were strong earlier today. Seen a little bit of a pullback back into the inside day range. And Roku, this one's been getting harder and harder to trade, but it did hit fresh all-time highs before pulling back relatively sharply here today. So a bit of a move there. But anyway, guys, good stuff. I appreciate the request. I hope everybody has an awesome rest of your trading day. See you guys in the market wrap. And until then, stay healthy out there and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.